You're doing affiliate marketing with paid traffic, or you might be doing affiliate marketing with free traffic. You have to create an affiliate marketing funnel. To create this affiliate marketing funnel, you need affiliate marketing tools. Because with these tools, only you can reach out to your target audience to sell the product, and then only you can make a profit or a sales there. In this video, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing tools for success. Watching this video till the end, you're going to explore these two tools, paid and free, to do your affiliate marketing and to get this success in affiliate marketing in 2021. If you're first time here, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday, and share your valuable comment if you really like this video. With that said, let's do this. So this is an affiliate marketing funnel which you're seeing right now, which is perfect for any beginners. You're using a paid traffic, you might be using a free traffic. You're sending the traffic to a opt-in page and you're collecting the emails, then you're sending those emails to an autoresponder. And then you're sending the traffic to a thank you page and the sales page. If they buy here, you make a commission. If they don't buy, you have their emails to retarget them through the email autoresponder. Or sometimes you simply create a landing page. You don't use any other thank you page or sales page, and you redirect the traffic to a sales page. Or if you're an advanced marketer, then you might be creating a one-time offer here, or might be giving a upsell to your target audience. Whatever you do, you need a affiliate marketing tools. Right now here you can see we need two important tools. The number one tool is to create this landing page or a sales funnel. We need a sales funnel builder or maybe a landing page builder. As well as once we collect the email so that we can retarget them, because the real money is in retargeting, you need a autoresponder where you set up this email marketing sequence when you remind them. So these are the two very important tools. And in the market, there are many tools which can help you to create a sales funnel as well as a landing page, free and paid. That all I'm going to cover in this video, as well as the email marketing software. So now let's talk about specific design sales funnel builders. For example, ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is one of the software, right, which is completely designed to create the sales funnel only. Okay. And you can integrate your email marketing softwares. So they are giving you only 14 days trial, and after this 14 days trial you have to pay $97. But when it comes to creating a sales funnel, this is an amazing, I'm using from a long time, that's what I can share you this thing here. So no comparison of ClickFunnels with any other funnel builder over here. Now let me share you one of the alternative of ClickFunnels. I really like that software, and that is Systeme. So this is Systeme.io, right? And this is an amazing software. This is the only software, guys, which can allow you to create sales funnel almost similar to ClickFunnels. Look at this one here. Okay, this is the dashboard of almost like ClickFunnels. So okay, and also one of the best part, this will going to allow you to do the email marketing. Okay, these are the two key things. This is an amazing. I'm still using it. I'm going to make a video very soon about this. And the price of Systeme is like $27. So if you're using ClickFunnels and you're looking for a substitute to create a sales funnel or Quizlander or all those things, Systeme is good. So you must try this thing here. So now these are the funnel builder, guys, which is completely designed to build these sales funnels. Now the question is, do we really need this kinds of sales funnel builder to create a sales funnel? The answer is no. You can also create a sales funnel with your Elementor plugin. This is a plugin which you can use with WordPress. So if you have a WordPress website, guys, this is completely free plugin which you can use. In the beginning here you can see this is $0, right, in the beginning. And then you can also upgrade for $49 per year. That's a great investment for a particular plugin, which if you have a WordPress. Now let's say if you're not planning to create a sales funnel, which is very, very important, then guys, you can use Aweber. Aweber is a email marketing software which can allow you to create a landing page for free, unlimited landing page, right? You can create from it. And then later, if you want to do email marketing, then you can start the email marketing also. So this is completely free for any beginner. You can keep it lifetime. I already made a video on this. You can see this. You can make a professional looking landing page. Okay, on that video, You can see that, right? The link is popping up right now in the window. Now you can also use ConvertKit. Again, this is an email marketing software. Here one of the feature is like they will give you unlimited landing page and forms. So these are a few of the software, guys, which you can use free and paid to create sales funnel and landing page. So now if you have these tools of creating sales funnel or landing page, the second very important thing is collecting email. Okay, this is really, really important. For not collecting emails, you're losing a lot of money because you're not able to retarget. So now if you're collecting emails, one of the best software which I'm using from a long time is like GetResponse. Okay, you can use GetResponse. This is like almost 30 days free. And after 30 days, for 1,000 subscriber, they're only charging for $15. And you can also use Aweber. As I said, like Aweber can create a free landing page, and you can also do email marketing. They are only giving you 500 subscriber free. Whereas GetResponse is giving you 30 days free. Okay, after 30 days, and even though if you're collecting email or not, you have to pay $15. Okay, they also have unlimited landing pages, but only 30 days you can use unlimited landing pages as well as email. Okay, but this is completely designed software to do email marketing. So you can use the Aweber to create your landing pages as well as like to collect the emails free only till 500 subscriber. Okay, and if you're looking for more, then you have ConvertKit. Okay, again, the ConvertKit is going to allow you to create unlimited landing pages with 1,000 email subscribers. Now, with the ConvertKit, guys, you can't do email automation. To do the email automation, you have to upgrade your plan for $29. If you're going to upgrade for $29, you can create a landing page as well as you can also create an automation, which is very, very important. For that also, I already created a video on that. Okay, and here you can see in the Aweber, you can create a free landing page as well as you can collect 500 emails in the free one, and you can also do the email automation, which is really, really important here. Okay, whereas comparing to GetResponse, it is 30 days free. In this free, you can use anything. You can use their autoresponder, you can collect landing pages, you can do automation, all those things. And one of the things, guys, GetResponse can also allow you to create the sales funnel. Look at this one, but only one active funnel. Not compared to ClickFunnels. You can't compare with this thing with ClickFunnels. Of course, you can create a sales funnel with this. And if you upgrade for $49, you can create 5 sales funnel here. Okay, so now you have both the two software. Let me show you one of the all for one for all softwares like Builderall. Here you can see this, guys. Builderall is an amazing software, which is right now it is not free, but for $69 for Christmas, this is an offer, $69. If you have to log this offer, you can create a sales funnel, you can create a landing page, you can create an email marketing. So if you want to take your affiliate marketing journey on a next level, then Builderall is one software where you can keep your entire business. Okay, so you don't need to integrate with anything. So if you're using ClickFunnels, you have to use the email marketing software, right? You have to integrate with this. But Builderall, you don't need to do any integration. Also want to share you this software called GrooveFunnel. So this is amazing free, guys. If you're looking for free sales funnel builder or Quizlander, this is again free for lifetime. That's right. That's completely free. And this can help you to create a sales funnels like the ClickFunnels. Okay, so they bought the best feature of the software and they integrated in one platform. Like you can create a sales funnel like ClickFunnels, and you can, if you are a vendor, if you want to sell the product, you generally use Samcart, but you can use GrooveSell like this, guys. For email marketing like ActiveCampaign, they made GrooveMail like this. All these softwares they integrated here. This is free, but only for some extent. That means you can create 3 landing pages or sales pages with this for a lifetime. To access all other features, guys, you have to pay $1,397 one time. And at the end, guys, I also want to show you this software called ClickMagick. So if you're doing native ad, or you might be doing like CPA marketing, right? Then this ad will help you to track the link clicks. Okay, and there are many features in this. Okay, I'm going to show you when I will make a CPA marketing video very soon. So this is also very, very important software to track the sales. Even if you're doing Google ads, then you need this software here. Okay, so this is also 14 days free, then it is $27. So right now guys, you need tools. I showed you, right, funnel builder and landing page builder. I also showed you email autoresponder according to your business guys, where you're standing. You're a small marketer or you're a beginner, and what is your budget, you can buy those softwares there. But you need some kind of free or paid tool according to your business to create the entire affiliate marketing funnel. So hope you enjoy this video. Share your thoughts about this video. How do you see it? Which software you use? And if you really like this video, smash the like button right away, right now. And share this video to your loved one to guide them, right, how to choose the right software. Thank you.